Method to Open Wisdom and Paranormal Abilities by Grandmaster Dr Pang of Zhineng Qigong Science. Use a sitting, standing or lying posture. Lift Qi up to above the head. Pour Qi into the head. Pour Qi with the mind, sending Qi into the head. Pour Qi down and hold your hands one on the other near the top of the head without touching the skin or hair. Men, left hand below, and women, right hand below. Your hands draw a circle, front, left, back, right, 3 times. Draw the circle slowly and evenly with the mind focused. Think a big Qi column is rotating inside your head, then press down 3 times to pour Qi into the head to open the brain, then lift up 3 times. Feel the vibration inside the head change the flow of Qi and blood in the head. The brain Qi will flow well. Now turn 3 circles in the opposite direction. Front, right, back, left. Press down 3 times. Then lift up 3 times. Open out the hands to connect the tips of the middle fingers. Raise and lower 3 times. Separate the hands and move them down so the fingertips are just above the ears. Your mind needs to open the top of the head from the inside. Then back up to connect the middle fingers. Do this 3 times. Move your hands to in front of your forehead and close the hands. Men, left hand inward. Women, right hand inward. Palms facing the forehead, a distance of 1 to 2 centimeters, never more than 5 centimeters. Rotate down, left, up, right in a small circle. Press in 3 times. Draw out 3 times. Slowly lower the palms in front of yin tang, third eye. Rotate down, left, up, right in a small circle. Press in 3 times. Draw out 3 times. Rotate down, right, up, left 3 times. Press in 3 times. Draw out 3 times.